morning. Today I want to present my journal article about bacterial profile and antibiotic sensitivity in patient with functional of 11.6 million visits to primary care physician annually. And many factors have been described. Many factors have been described: sinusitis, example allergy, asthma, anatomic abnormalities, microorganism, and etc. Sensitivity around 109 patients who presented with symptoms of CRS. This study took part in the Department of ENT, Head and Neck Surgery, Bangalore Medical College Research Institute in 2016. The inclusion criteria: the patient aged between 18 and 60 years presenting with symptom of chronic maxillary sinusitis for a minimum of 12-week duration and willing to give written on informed consent. The exclusion criteria: the patient who has surgery and did not give their consent. For the methods, laparoscopy was performed and discharged from the maxillary culture swab and the examination for aerobic culture and anaerobic culture. And then all specimens were cultured for 48 hours and bacterial isolation was conducted. And the symptoms from the study, the most common symptom was nasal obstruction. The patient had deviated nasal septum examination, and almost all patients had mucosal thickening. Result in group 1, the organism was isolated in 100 patients. Most of the organism is SSA. For the bacteria. And graph 2, the antibiotic sensitivity pattern of study population show positive to ciprofloxacin and levofloxacin, and sensitive to imipenem, ceftazidime, piperacillin, tazobactam. The discussion. Many earlier studies dealing with the bacterial etiology of sinusitis were compromised by technical issues, beginning for the specimen collection to final step of identification of organism. In this study, the author collects the specimen directly from the sinus, avoiding the common contaminants present in the nasal cavity. And the table 2, the author want to compare their study to the other similar study. They show many studies showed on the aerob organism. And then in the table 3, the comparison of bacterial profile with similar studies. Many studies show there found the organism was MSSA. Aerob are the most commonly isolated. So we found out the gram-positive aerob are most commonly isolated suffering chronic maxillary sinusitis, and this study show what show emergence of MRSA and the various bacteria which are implicated in causation of chronic sinusitis and their antibiotic sensitivity, which will influence the treatment decision and also reduce the morbidity caused by the disease. The critical appraisal is valid and useful, yes. Can this study be applied to the patient? Yes. Does this study affect action therapy for the patient? Yes. Does the research provide
patient very high number in this institution, right? So, President for other. Is the periodis to review this journal about translation and about the tata penulisan apa? About the content of paper. Is the periodis?
Thank you, Doctor, for the opportunity. I will share screen about the journal reading. Okay, from the writing reviewer, the first I will comment about the cover of the journal. In this journal, in this cover, first of the type of the materi from the journal itself is done using the capital word and not using the underline word. And then from the title, from this cover journal, using a capital word and using font number 16. And Dr. Yu must write the original title must be written from the cover of journal. And then the supervisor and the Dr. Yu itself written by type of the word written by Times New Roman and font 14. And then the institution using the capital word. And for the materi itself, there's a lot of the typo itself, such as is from page 1, DRI, it means dari, and with materi and method, you can use the bold same as the others. And then
the periodis.
Yeah.
And can you give us or give Dr. Rio a review about the crucial review?
Oh yes, Doctor.
Not small or the crucial, like such as title and then translation and then yes, crucial, not small part or because the small part you can give him personally.
Yes, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor. From the crucial correction for me, the first is the such this word coagulase and negative staphylococcus. You must using the italic font, and then for the For the others, in this journal, Dr. Rio don't use the script citation like the original journal. From the original journal, there's have a superscript citation, but this translate journal, we don't see the superscript citation. I think that's all for me, Doctor, for the.
Okay, thank you. It's complete for your review. My conclusion from your review are title. It must be in original title, the cover paper. Ini kan bahasa Indonesia ya. You using bahasa, yeah, it's supposed to original title in English, right?
Yes, Doctor.
And journal, not journal, but journal. Yeah.
Yes, Doctor.
It's very crucial. And then the small part, like the right, and then capital. Yeah, maybe Dr. Yudis can send Dr. Rio file for correction.
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Yudis. And then Dr. Na for method and critical appraisal review. Please.
Thank you for the opportunity. I have a question for Dr. Rio. What is the design of this study of the journal? And the number two, in your opinion, if this study is conducted in our place, do you think that the result will be the same or different? And why is that? And number three, the study doesn't mention anything about confounding factors. According to your opinion, is there any confounding factor in this study? Thank you.
Answer this question. Question number 5 about the design of this study. I think study can be using perspective design with observational analytic study. And then number 2, if this study conducted in our place, do you think the result will be same or different? Okay. Number 2, in your opinion, if the study is conducted in will be same or different? I think the study I think necessarily conducted to our place the study to get some profile criteria and to get the is just mention confounding factor on their control because they are using component media technique using and they want to deliver or transport the sample or the specimen immediately to the laboratory.
Is it clear?
Sorry, Dr. Rio, can you show this journal from question number 1?
The design study from study is prospective design by observational analytical study.
In your paper,
Yes.
you show.
You the sentence that
Yes. Oh yeah.
Maybe from the original journal there is in. Yeah.
maybe you can explain what is the meaning of prospective, because there's many prospective study. There's cohort, there's cross-sectional, which the study of this journal is cohort or cross-sectional. Maybe Dr. Krishna. Yeah, maybe she can understand. She cannot understand the exactly the design of prospective. And explain.
The output
I think because this observational, this is a cohort, cross-sectional study.
observational
Yeah, observational with
perspective of design.
yeah, prospective design. There's a cohort and there's a cross-sectional. Which one do you mean? I think this paper only report bacterial sensitivity and profile. I think this is only cross-sectional. The paper only pick the sample and then examine in laboratory and then report. Only that. Only that. I think it's a cross-sectional study. Yeah. Only pick the sample and then report the result. Yes. And then the next question for the third question. What is third question?
This study is necessary we do in our state, yeah, or our country, yeah, to find out the bacterial profile pattern and we get the bacterial profile patterns to our country or our hospital, like that.
We can do the same study for our institute, right?
Yeah.
It's a good app for us for the bacterial profile. Because udah lama nggak ada penelitian tentang bacterial profile-nya. Jadi dokter Desi pertama can advise any student to examine the bacterial profile of sensitivity of so and then Dr. Pani for
Thank you, Doctor. And for Dr. Rio, this is a good journal. I want to ask question. Could you explain about TFR criteria that been used And the second, is there is any relation between the symptoms with the culture swab result? Can you explain about TFR criteria that been used in this journal, and is there is any relation between the symptoms with the swab result? For the example, in culture swab result, there is Pseudomonas, and the patient feel that the nose is the patient can smell or something. Thank you.
Okay, I can explain the first question about the TRF criteria. Yeah, the author for this study using TRF criteria to diagnosis the TRS. You know, the TRF is a passport rhinosinusitis, and passport criteria to diagnosis, major criteria and minor criteria. Okay, the major criteria such as nasal pain, nasal obstruction, and nasal discharge, and olfactory dysarthria. Then the minor criteria such as cough, postnasal drip, headache, and molar feet pain, and halitosis. If we found two major criteria, we can diagnose the CRS, and one major criteria plus two minor criteria. Then question number 2, I think. What relation with the symptom with the culture swab results? And the author didn't mention the relation about the symptom when we get about related with the culture swab, I think.
Do you agree, Dr. Fani? Yeah, in this journal, didn't mention about correlation symptom with bacterial profile or the disease, right? Only mention about the result of bacterial profile and sensitivity. Maybe you can make experiment, another experiment, another study for CRS patient, yeah, for the next study. Okay. Are there any questions from President? Please give Dr. Rio at least one question from the resident who is in division rhinology. It's not. Mana tanya? Ya, this is interesting study for us because lot of number patient with CRS, right? So this is the easy method for us to study the bacterial profile and sensitivity of antibiotic. Please, Dr. Anna, give a review for Dr. Rio. Dr. Anna. Dr. Ana, can you hear me? Dr. Ana hilang? Ada? Ada? Maybe Dr. Desi can give a comment for this study or journal.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Ayu. Thank you, Dr. Rio. First, I want to appreciate Dr. Rio first. Thank you for Dr. Rio for present this journal with a nice slide and explain in simple way. Yeah, because this journal is quite long journal, but you make a presentation with simple, hoping other can understand better than present all the sentence from the journal. Yeah, I really appreciate it from your revision, from your reading revision from. Nggak kedengeran. I really appreciate your revision from division reading before. Okay. About Dr. Tadi tentang about prospective and observational research all explained by Dr. Ayu. And then about symptom with the culture and sensitivity result, they don't mention in this journal and they don't analyze. Maybe we can do the better research, and then as we can see from this simple research, I think this is simple research, but it can be international journal, so we can make a better journal from that data from this hospital. Yeah. Conclusion from this journal is we can see that which that has resistance in bacteria, even though maybe in our place or our hospital has different pattern. So we have to make our self research. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's my comment. Oh yeah, I want to show the sample. Dr. Rio, please show one of your table in slide. For example, for others, one of your table, anyone? Yeah. Okay. Dr. Rio has as we can see, yeah, Dr. Rio prepare the explain of the table by sentence beside it. Yeah, organism were isolated in 100 patients. In MMSA is 49%. And as you can see in the below the table, the one, there's different sentence. So I already read the original journal. That means Dr. Rio find the table conclusion from this journal. So for others, if you present the table, give the explanation beside the journal like this. This is really explain others if we don't need to read all the sentence in journal, but we can understand after Dr. Rio only if we read only slide of Dr. Rio presentation. So that's make our time simple ya. Jadi lebih cepat dimengerti dibanding kita baca jurnalnya. Ya. Oke, thank you Dr. Rio. Thank you Dr.
he's very surprised us that the etiology bacteria most common are methyl MSSA, and then MRSA. It's very dangerous for us. And then people for MSSA. This is very common for MRSA. Usually, we use patient with MRSA because very infectious and contagious. Finally, and then antibiotic for the CRS, most common semoxicillin and midazolam, usually intravenous. Then erythromycin, 100% sensitive with cefoxitin and linezolid, and graphic 3. A lot of patients with CRS has been treated by oral antibiotics such as cephalosporin. But in this journal, it's mentioned that 100% patients sensitive with linezolid, and then less sensitive with clindamycin and ampicillin. Maybe ampicillin we didn't use ampicillin for CRS, right? We didn't use ampicillin as antibiotic for chronic rhinosinusitis, but some doctors still give clindamycin for that. Clindamycin didn't. Clindamycin less sensitive for CRS. How about this result, Dr. Desi? Because some antibiotics only given by intravenous than oral. How about that? And Dr. Rio, can you give a conclusion what or which antibiotic can give for CRS? What is your suggestion?
We can give the treatment, can give
What happens if there's no facility for examine bacterial culture? What's your suggestion? What antibiotic that you suggest for clinician CRS? Based in
we can coordinate with the PPI and so data about maybe we can
If the patient come for your clinic, CRS, can you give them doxycycline extra? Because in this journal, doxycycline more effective than erythromycin or clindamycin. Can you give them or antibiotic doxycycline or CRS patient based on this study? In graphic 3, we saw that more sensitive than any other antibiotic. How about that?
We can find
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Based on this journal, surprisingly, clindamycin only 50% sensitivity. So if we use based on this journal, maybe from the others antibiotic that has high that has sensitivity higher than 50. Yeah, there is doxycycline is 80%, and then tetracycline, yeah, macrolide antibiotic, yeah, that higher than erythromycin, that only 50% sensitivity. Erythromycin, okay. If based on this journal, we treatment like that, but we don't know yet the pattern of this hospital. For a while, we use first line drug of choice from the PPK itu, ya, SOP from before. Okay. Dokter Ana, maybe tadi udah ada Dokter Ana kayaknya.
Dokter Ana?
Oh, hilang lagi.
Oh gitu. Oh ya.
Oh. Kenapa? Oh, okay.
Dr. Anna has a question, few question.
Oh, ini. Yeah. First question, how to collect the material for aerob and anaerob culture?
How to collect the material for aerob and anaerob culture?
Using technique and rate when collect this specimen when we on the aerob bacteria we
How to collect means how to differentiate between anaerob and aerob. Is there any difference for action to collect or no difference?
Just mentioned they collect the specimen by using microscopy and
how to only media difference in media mention about the how to. Okay. Question number 2.
Okay, question. Jadi, so for the collect the material for aerob and anaerob culture, they don't mention detail in this journal, but usually microbiology doctor have specific media for that. That's what my experience. Yeah, they have different tools from about to collect. I think that's no different. Yeah,
Because
but
we treat the sample with the same treat between aerob and aerob. I think that we cannot find the anaerob bacteria because when the sample of bacteria came out from the organ or sinus, it's potentially anaerob bacteria can mati. Ya gitu. When came
maybe
out from
from
the sinus, it
from
potentially
the side.
potentially yeah.
Yeah. So
So
maybe
we cannot
we
find
can
the
from the sinus direct to the media.
we can collect them in the sinus and then direct to the
Microbiome.
micro.
Yeah.
Sample came in the sinus. You put it to spec or syringe and then collect. Not came out from the sinus and then collect and then send to the micro.
Yeah.
Maybe
Maybe
I can use to find aerob bacteria.
yeah. So microbiology doctor has to be there when we collect the sample, so we can give the sample direct. Maybe like that. They don't mention detail in the journal.
How about the
Okay.
second
Number
question?
second question is, in this journal, how many percentage the zero growth of the bacteria from culture? From yeah.
Can repeat. Wait. How many percentage the zero growth of the bacteria from culture?
Tadi
Ada nggak yang
nice signal just to not to the
and why? Why is zero growth? What your opinion about this?
Yes, but I think maybe they when they
The third number, same as my question.
Yeah.
What your recommendation? What antibiotic you suggest for us to treat our patients from this journal?
Based in this journal.
Pas tadi the result and cut
Yeah. Antibiotic. Just mention the antibiotic. What antibiotic? Yeah. Just mention the antibiotic. Which antibiotic you want to use based on this journal?
very sensitive toxicity.
Where the study has been studied? India, which provision? If the country or where this study the same with our home-based hospital, we can use this journal for our institution. Using for CRS patient as long as get mentioned study above antibacterial sensitivity Indonesia ya. Selama profil rumah sakit atau tempat penelitian yang dilakukan di India itu sama dengan profil rumah sakit tempat kita bisa diberikan selama di sini belum dilakukan penelitian mengenai sensitivitas antibiotik terhadap pasien-pasien kronik sinusitis, gitu ya Dok? Kalau memang mau berbeda, ya bikin penelitian, karena biasanya harusnya dipelajari paling tidak polanya itu harusnya dipelajari. Nanti terlalu lama, sekarang kan datanya sudah ada, cuma dianalisis. Sampai itu muncul atau dipublish, kita bisa menggunakan doxycycline. Jadi kalau nanti yang kita bisa simpulkan dari jurnal ini adalah penggunaan yang kita bisa pergunakan dan bisa kita pertimbangkan yaitu doxycycline. Kita perlu ingat doxycycline sampingnya lebih banyak dibanding erythromycin atau clindamycin. Coba nanti dicari doxycycline sampingnya, apalagi yang kita tahu resistensi terhadap orang Indonesia sangat tinggi di Indonesia. Ya, tapi kalau doxycycline yang ada ini bisa dipertimbangkan. Yang kedua, bakteri penyebab RS kerjanya adalah jadi sebenarnya metal sensitif. Jadi Staphylococcus yang paling banyak. Yang kedua yang resisten ini yang perlu hati-hati. Artinya kalau kamu ketemu pasien sinusitis kronik paling tidak 15 tahun. Jadi kamu mau periksa pasien sinusitis kronik harus usul. Kalau menurut saya ya, kalau lihat begini loh, ya, karena nanti kamu kalau nggak pakai lupa cuci tangan, makan, tapi tidak kalah mengerikan saya kira. Ya, jadi berarti nih hati-hati kalau periksa pasien sinusitis nggak ada salahnya pakai handphone, karena kemungkinan 15% pasiennya MRSA. Ada pasien 10, 15 kan satu kan berarti. Benar ya? Ya, jadi gitu. Jadi itu yang kedua. Kemudian yang ketiga, apabila mau mengambil sampel untuk pemeriksaan sensitivitas maupun bakteri, perlu dipertimbangkan teknik dan teknik dan perlu dikomunikasikan dengan mikrobiologi mengenai teknik dan waktu, waktu pemeriksaan. Ini itu 3 poin besar yang kita ambil terlepas dari klinik atau klinis CRS sendiri, karena di sini kita nggak membahas klinis ya, kita membahas treatment dengan bakteri penyebab. Benar nggak?
Tambahan satu lagi dong. tadi tentang zero apa tadi? Mungkin kita Dr. Ayu, jadi kita kadang sudah memberikan antibiotik sekian hari baru mulai kultur. Jadi hasilnya tidak ada perkembangan kuman, no growth. Ya, oke. Dokter Ana, nanti penilaian
ya. Ini sebetulnya biasa, tapi untuk kita besar. Pertama yaitu tadi kita harus update gitu mengenai sensitivitas bakteri dan kultur bakteri. Ya, yang kedua ya tentu saja untuk pengobatan, tingkat keberhasilan apakah semua akan dilakukan operasi. Kan kita mau optimalisasi kan ya. Kalau memang ini masih bisa diobati, diberikan pengobatan, terutama mengeliminasi infeksinya, ya kita lakukan dulu eliminasinya. Kalau masalah blocking dan lain-lain, karena ini sebenarnya kita cuma untuk eliminasinya, ya, kita cegah kan komplikasi luasnya ya. Saya kira cukup untuk pembacaan ini, bermanfaat untuk kita semua.
Moderator dan Dr. Ana as reviewer and all are excused for this morning. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.